Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by focusing on the likely cause, a recent app with overlay permission. Open Settings and go straight to Apps. You don't need full device prep. Once there, scan for recently installed or updated apps and note any that request screen permissions. Make sure developer options are enabled only to view running services, not to change unknown items. This gets you to the first actionable step. Find the app that can draw over. You now revoke the overlay permission for the suspect apps. Go to Settings, Apps, then Special Access and choose Display over other apps. This view lists who can draw on your screen. Once you find the culprit, toggle the permission off and immediately test the app you were trying to use. If the issue persists, repeat by disabling the next candidate. If toggling permissions fails, restart the target app or the phone. Sometimes changes need a quick reboot to take effect. Finish by removing or updating the app that caused the overlay once you confirm the problem is resolved. Clear its cache or data from app info, then reboot the device to ensure clean state. If the overlay returns, use Safe Mode to confirm a third-party app is responsible. Safe Mode disables them and isolates system apps. One key troubleshooting tip: if Safe Mode fixes it, uninstall recent apps one by one rather than factory reset, which should be your absolute last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.